Welcome to Direct RC. I'm Zach, and today we're going to do a little tech talk for you. We're going to be talking about servos, and not just any servo. We're going to be talking about the TCM 1001 servo for nothing more than the Losi Micro B. This thing is one of the hottest products on the market right now. The simple fact that it's $120, first off, for an RTR, which is out of this world amazing, right? But it's super versatile. You can bash it, you can race it, you can, play with it in your house. You can build it to be a shelf queen. I've seen so many things going on with them, all the way to new bodies coming out for them, to people turning them into truggies and putting the back wheels on the front wheels. This thing is just one of the hottest RCs on the market right now. It is available at directrc.com. So you are able to, I'm pretty sure at this point in time that this video is being shot, probably sold out again. It just seems like these things sell out so fast. So with that being said, TORQ Servos has been busy, and they decided to give us a TCM 1001 servo, which is essentially what you run in your Mini Z, so your GL cars, your Reflex, Atomic cars, just about any of those vehicles are running this servo, or at least this size servo for the 28 scale racing. Now, the awesome part is that the Micro B runs the same servo. The only thing that's different is it runs a JR connector, not a JST 1.5, which is pretty much on all of your Mini Zs out there that you're racing in 28 scale pan cars because of the micro servo. Micro servos look like this right here. It is modded to the 10s. It's got the FuryTech Grasshopper system in it with the Micro B system. So it's got your Bluetooth dongle there. But we went ahead and we added the TORQ servo mount to it. TORQ servo. The TCM 1001 comes with a fast throw, so it's a longer servo horn than what comes on the stock Micro B, and it just allows for it to throw way fast. It gives you that more tunability, because when you are racing and you don't want to have that extreme dual rate on the track there. You're turning it down, but you're getting way more precision to it. So you can really fine tune how fast you want the servo to throw. It's phenomenal, guys. I really, really enjoy the servo. $54.99. It's available at directrc.com. The one thing is, like I said, it can be used on your Mini Zs, so your GLs, your Atomics, your Reflexes. This does work on there. The only thing you'll need to do, like I said, if you're running a micro receiver, I'm running a micro receiver for my Futaba, but same thing for the Noble. You'll just have to resolder the wires there to throw in a JST 1.5 connector. But outstanding little servo. You're getting 8.4 volts of BEC is what it's capable of being tuned onto your ESC. With that, you're getting throw rates of less than like 0.052 seconds on that with that torque rating. So that's just insanely fast. Myself, I'm running it at 6 volts, and I find that it's perfect for what I need it for. I definitely, if you're trying to get super crazy fast with it and techie with it, you definitely should be able to. One of the things I noticed, because it has so much torque now, you can actually kind of whip it in the air. So I'm super excited to try that out. This one I've turned into a basher, just because it's just ridiculously fast. It's got a fast servo in it now. The motor in it is just insane. So it's just turned into a basher. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take it out to a skate park. And this thing is, like I said, to the 9. So it's got all your Next Racing upgrades you can get, the carbon fiber front shock tower, Next Racing shocks, turnbuckles, and like I said, the Fury Tech system. So we've literally we've upgraded the heck out of this thing at Direct RC. All these products are available. Like I said, the biggest thing you want to know is that this is probably going to be the easiest direct mount servo for your Losi Micro B, even if you don't have all this crazy stuff going on. If you literally just want to upgrade your servo because you feel like you're not getting the turning ability that you want out of the stock servo, which is pretty slow, this is the answer. JR connector. I can't say anything else amazing about it, right? It's a phenomenal servo. One of the things that I will say is that if you don't want to snag the TORQ aluminum servo mount, you do actually, there is a free CAD file for a 3D printed servo mount from TORQ, so you can throw that on. It works great. It mounts right onto all the stock plastics on the Losi Micro B. So you can't ask for, I don't know, you can't ask for anything more. For $54.99, you don't get it. I mean, if you don't want to pay that extra couple bucks for the servo mount, which I believe the servo mount is, I'm going to throw it up, but I think it's only like a couple bucks. But here's the price for the servo mount for the TORQ servo. Like I said, for $54.99, you can get it with the aluminum servo horn, or if you want to put it in one of your mini Zs, your 28 scale vehicles, you can get it without it. It's the same price, so I don't know. If it was me, I would just go ahead and get it anyways. Then I have an extra horn just in case something happens, I lose them. They're tiny. I end up losing small things all the time. I mean, even on the carpet, if it's black, it's gone. But anyways, like I said, guys, TORQ Servos is coming out with some awesome servos right now. They've done the axle mounted servos, which has been phenomenal. A great addition to options for your upgrades for your FCX 24s, any of your FCX 118s, the 24s. I mean, Hobby Plus, it's out there. TORQ is doing some awesome things right now. I'm really excited to see what else they bring out to us. Like I said, right now you can find this at Direct RC for $54.99. You can't beat the price, guys. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take out this Losi Micro B, throw it out on the skate park, and see how it does out there. Look at that. That is so smooth. Look at that. Look at that. That is just crazy smooth. Let's see how it does going off that. That was kind of cool. Alright, that was sweet. That was sweet. Servo's doing really good. Oh, and we're in the grass. And how's it doing? Still solid, baby. Great servo. Yeah, I really do enjoy this. And with the JR connector, you can literally put this on your stock Losi Micro B. It pairs right into your 2-in-1 receiver that comes speed controlled receiver. Whoa! Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, let's try it. Let's see how it does. $54.99, comes with your servo horn. If you don't want to pick up the servo mount for it from TORQ, You can just get this the 3D printer file right off the website for it. I mean, guys, great buy, great option, 10 out of 10 recommend. Get over to Direct RC right now, pick up yourself, if we have them in stock, a Micro B, and then get yourself TORQ Servo. Then while you're over there, go ahead and look at all the next racing parts we have to offer for it, and for Fury Tech too. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you next time, bashing, racing, having fun with your Losi Micro B. And your very first upgrade, the TORQ Servo-TCM 1001.